What's going on, everybody? It's Aaron Cates, coming at y'all with another video today. Now, today's going to be like a DIY, like custom thing. Made a lot of things on my own on this channel. I'm not like most other YouTubers. I figure out the cheaper way to do things instead of spending all your money on certain things. So if you like building things on a budget, if you're like me and you work a full-time job, you're paycheck to paycheck with all your bills and everything, but you're still trying to build a truck, then I really suggest hitting that subscribe button down below, because I do a lot of those things here on this channel. Tell me what other person you know that has a truck with 11 inches of lift and about $330 in it. When you can't figure that out, hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making gap guards. Because as you guys know, I put this 3-inch body lift on my truck, and if you're new to the channel, hello, I have a 3-inch body lift on my truck. Put it on about 2-3 weeks ago, somewhere like that. And as you know, with body lifts, they come with this terrible gap that you can see right through the bed, and that's like one of the ways everyone distinguishes like knowing somebody has a body lift on their truck, is if like you can see like straight through the bed. So today I bought this. It's called a rubber cargo mat. It's meant for like the back of like an SUV, like a Tahoe or a Suburban or Yukon or Escalade, whatever you want to call it. And it's meant for like the back of those. It's a rubber like floor mat. It's super thin and it's like really easy to bend, but it's like durable enough that I can like screw it in to the bed right here. I can just like screw it in a couple times and it won't go anywhere. So that's what I'm gonna do, because once I do this once, I don't want to do it again. So I'm gonna cut sections of this out. Okay, so I know you guys are gonna make fun of me because I have white socks with Crocs on, but you know what? I've been made fun of for worse things, so give me your best shot. And this stuff you can cut with normal like household scissors. If you guys like my zebra print scissors, it's because my girlfriend gets mad if I use the household scissors for anything that has to do outside. So these are like the scissors that were on her desk. So I just took these, because if she uses these on normal things, then I can use them on normal things. Right? That's how that works, right? Okay, you guys are gonna like make fun of me if you just watched any of that, because I did not cut a straight line at all. So I don't know how I passed preschool. That's extra, just in case we need it. We have that one, and we have that one. There's my zebra print scissors. And my white socks with my white, or my Crocs are not white. My white socks with my camo Crocs. Alright, hopefully you guys can like see well enough. I hope you can. Go ahead and get like a handful of screws. Set it there on my tire so I can leave them there later. And I can have like snow tires, although I live in Florida. So, as you can see, I have some extra. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use that extra. So, go ahead and get my drill hooked up. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I've got one self-tapper there. I took the scissors and cut a little slight slot in it so that rail right there would go down through it. Self-tapper, one there, and one there. I didn't do right here because there's really no light that travels through right here, so I wasn't too worried about it. And I just took the bed liner and just sprayed over the tops of those heads of those self-tappers so they're not super visible. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. The last thing to do to finish off this body lift is to relocate the back bumper. So that is the next thing on the list. And if you follow me on Instagram, that poll ended Sunday, I believe it was. And I got the results. I'm ordering the results tonight as we speak. If they're in Friday, I will make a video for them Friday. They will most likely not be in Friday because today is Tuesday. If I order them tonight, they might be here Thursday. If they are, what is on my face? What the hell? My face, can y'all see that? I hope y'all can see that. I'm like not crazy. It's like on my chest right now. I hope I'm not like losing my mind. Alright, so hopefully they'll be in Thursday so I'd make a video Friday. If not, I need to find a video idea for Friday because I still have no idea. Alright, we're in the truck. So I do a lot of videos like this. I do a lot of DIY things. A lot of like custom made things that you don't see a lot of on YouTube. A lot of things other people don't do. A lot of people just go to like Rough Country and buy Rough Country's gap guards made for this truck. Well, they're almost $100. I'm building this truck on a budget. It's a very, very tight budget. So that $100 can go to something else that can be put on this truck to not only make it look better, but to make a video on. So the cargo floor mat was $13. I bought it from Advance Auto Parts. Just happened to see it while I was in there. I was like, God, that would work perfect. So picked it up, 13 bucks. Now I have gap guards. Next thing we'll be doing is making the rear bumper brackets. So hopefully we can get that going here pretty soon and get that realigned. Definitely we'll have it done before Daytona, because I'm not going to take my truck to Daytona with my bumper looking like that. And I'm going to Daytona, so it's already done. Now, something I want to say, I've gotten a lot of hate comments on the Rust-Oleum lens tint video. Listen, guys, I've said it off camera, or I said it in that video. Off camera, I stood like 2 to 3 foot back from the headlights when I sprayed the lens tint, and it still ran. I know on camera I was way too close, put way too heavy of a first coat, and that's why it ran, had lots of buildup. I get it, guys. As dumb as you guys think I am, I'm actually a lot smarter than I look. I'm pretty good with spray paint. You guys will see that in a video coming here pretty soon, like within the next like 2 weeks. I'm really good with spray paint, and I'll just leave it at that. I'm not gonna throw everything out there because I've got some stuff on the way here for the truck. So if you guys aren't already, go down and hit that subscribe button right down here. It should be in the bottom right hand corner. Go over and hit the like button in the bottom left. Go follow me on Instagram at Aaron Cates. Gonna be like right in here somewhere. Go follow me on Instagram. Go hit the subscribe button. You guys are gonna want to stick around for this build. Not only am I going to be doing something kind of big when I hit my first 100 subs, because I've been doing this for almost 6 months now, still not at 100 subs. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, because I'm starting from scratch. I'm not vlogging or making YouTube videos with other big YouTubers for a shout out. My channel has not been shouted out by anybody. I've had a couple of my friends share 1 or 2 of my videos on Facebook, but that is all. I am starting from the bottom, and we're gonna make it one day, guys. All you loyal subscribers, John Kenworthy, I think your last name was, I'm going off the top of my head right now. A lot of you loyal subscribers that comment on my videos, like all my videos, you guys are not unnoticed. I notice every single one of you. You're all being noticed, and I cannot thank you guys enough for all the support you give me and you give this channel. You guys are going to be the reason this channel grows and continues to grow. Thank you so much for supporting this build and supporting this channel. I hope you all have a great night, and I'll catch you on the next video.
Pull up, all the kids screaming, whoa, they eyes popping, jaws dropping, look